Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials, where in this video I'll be taking up your next 50 commonly asked prepositions and phrasal verbs, which you should bear in mind because these are highly probable in your board examination. So let's get going. In my previous video, I had completed till 50, so I'll carry forward with 51 onwards. So let's get started. The first one is the board acceded dash the workers demand. Now acceded का मतलब हो गया the board gave in. ठीक है, gave in का मतलब होता है मान लेना या agree कर लेना कोई चीज को. So acceded के साथ to जाता है. The board acceded to the workers demand. Your behavior is simply not acceptable to the community, so it is unacceptable. हम लोग इस टाइप का behavior को सह नहीं सकते हैं. We cannot buy this the way you're behaving. The accountant was accused, लांछन लगाया गया था, of embezzlement. Embezzlement means dishonesty. ठीक है, or cheating, that is embezzlement. ठीक है, so accused of. They are not accustomed is habituated, so accustomed के साथ to जाएगा. They are not accustomed to such cold weather. Have you been acquainted, क्या आपकी जान पहचान है with the new manager? Acquainted के साथ with use होता है. Please bear that thing in mind. Next one, the jury acquitted the woman. Acquit करने का मतलब होता है basically to free of all the charges. So in other words, जितने भी allegation होते हैं, remove all allegations. ठीक है, जितने भी allegations होते हैं उसको हटा देना को acquitted बोलते हैं. So jury acquitted के साथ of use होता है. Acquitted the woman of all charges. We must act on या upon भी जा सकता है. Both are acceptable. We must act on or upon the instructions provided. We should follow, that is act on or upon. ठीक है, हमें follow करना चाहिए जो भी हमें बताया गया हो. The park is adjacent. Adjacent का मतलब होता है side to side. Adjacent means side to side. So adjacent के साथ to जाता है. The park is adjacent to the city library. The captain agreed dash referee's decision. So referee ने कुछ कहा, उसके साथ वो agree कर रहा है. So basically you always agree with the person. And did they agree dash the terms. Terms का मतलब हो गया जो भी proposal रखा गया होगा, जो भी प्रपोजल या टर्म रखा गया है, यू ऑलवेज अग्री टू दैट. ठीक है, द कैप्टन अग्रीड विथ द रेफरीज डिसीजन एंड डिड दे अग्री टू द टर्म्स ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट यू ऑलवेज अग्री ऑन द कॉमन ग्राउंड्स. ऑन द कॉमन ग्राउंड. ठीक है, उसके साथ अग्री ऑन यूज होता है. द पार्किंग स्पेस हैज बीन अलॉटेड. अलॉटेड यानी गिवन, मेरे लिए रिजर्व करके मुझे दे दिया गया है. सो गिवन to the director, allotted to the director. Everyone must answer for. Answer for means basically accountable. ठीक है, आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा अपना किया धरा का. So accountable for their own mistakes. Next one, he apologized dash the teacher for being late. So you always apologized to a person. So he apologized to the teacher for being late. The charity appealed. Appeal means requested. Appeal means requested. So you appeal to the public for donation. She is closely associated का मतलब होता है related. So related के साथ with जाता है. Closely associated with the research lab. I can assure you. Assure you का मतलब होता है guarantee. Guarantee. So assure you of use होता है assure के साथ. I can assure you of my full cooperation. You need to attend, like pay attention to the details of the project. You need to attend to the details of the project. Was he aware? यहाँ of भी जाएगा या about भी जाएगा. Both are acceptable. Was he aware of the consequences? Was he aware about the consequences beforehand? Both will go. The homeless man begged for a piece of bread. He was hungry, so he begged for that thing. Many people still believe in. आज भी लोग बहुत ज्यादा भरोसा करते हैं in superstitions. ठीक है, अंधविश्वास. The students are bent. Bent का मतलब होता है determined. Like करना है मतलब करना है. So bent के साथ on use होता है. Bent on finishing the project tonight. That is determined. Beware यानी cautious, सावधान. Beware of picking up hitchhikers. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, नो वन कैन बी ब्लेम्ड. किसी के ऊपर आरोप नहीं लगाया जा सकता है. सो ब्लेम्ड फॉर द एक्सीडेंट. द कपल वॉज ब्लेस्ड. इसमें अक्सर बहुत मिस्टेक हो जाती है. ब्लेस्ड विथ यूज होता है. लोग इसमें कुछ और ही लिख के आ जाते हैं. ब्लेस्ड फॉर टू ट्विन्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. प्लीज टेक नोट ऑफ इट कि वो मिस्टेक आप मत करिए. ब्लेस्ड विथ ट्विन गर्ल्स, गिफ्टेड विथ ट्विन गर्ल्स. ठीक है. पेरेंट्स शुडंट बी ब्लाइंड टू. पेरेंट्स को अंधा नहीं बनना चाहिए अपने बच्चों की गलतियों को लेके. ब्लाइंड टू समवन्स फ्लॉज और फॉल्ट. द एथलीट बोस्ट्स ऑफ हिज मेडल. बोस्ट के साथ ऑफ जाता है. अबाउट का मत इस्तेमाल करिएगा. ठीक है. अबाउट इज नॉट कंटेक्चुअली करेक्ट. बोस्ट्स ऑफ. द आर्टिस्ट वॉज बॉर्न. ऑफ भी जाएगा या born into a family of musicians. Both are acceptable. He was born of, that is the source of origin, from the family of musicians, or born into that family. Both are acceptable. ठीक है. Now the flight is not bound to. Bound to का तो मतलब होता है obligation. ठीक है. Bound to is obligation. Over here the context is not obligation. Over here the context is destination. London is a destination. So ship is bound for London use होता है for a destination. It is going towards London. ठीक है. The chef is busy with the dinner preparation. Not busy in, but busy with preparing dinner. ठीक है. Next, your work is capable. Capable के साथ fixed preposition use होता है. Capable of great improvement. That means you can do better. She is always careful about her spending habits. Yeah, she's very careful with her spending habits. Both are acceptable contextually. There is no cause for alarm means no cause for ruckus, for haphazard. हसल बसल का इतना कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. chaos का जरूरत ही नहीं है at this stage. Do we know the cause of engine failure? Like what caused engine failure? So cause of, reason of that particular thing happening. The suspect was charged. मैंने आपको बताया था अपने पिछले वीडियो में, charge के साथ with यूज होता है. ठीक है. accused of but then charge with, basically an allegation. The concert commences at 8 p.m. tonight. क्योंकि 8 p.m. एकदम बता दिया है कि इतना बजे से शुरू होगा, सो बोल के at का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, not from. At 8 p.m. tonight. They complained. Either you can say of the noisy behavior or about the noisy behavior. Both are acceptable in that case. Life is often, now see, whenever you are comparing two dissimilar things, life is compared dash a journey. Life अलग context, journey अलग context, but दोनों में similarity, metaphorical comparison किया जा रहा है, तो उसमें हम लोग फिर to का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. But when we compare two similar objects, two similar thing, like say iPhone 16 is being compared dash iPhone 15, so वहां पे 16 और 15 दो similar चीज हो गए, उधर compare with का इस्तेमाल होता है. So you compare two dissimilar things on a metaphorical level, and then you compare two similar things जिसमें with का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. I hope that is clear. Our team competed with the best in the league. ठीक है. With the best team in the league. Not competed against, go for competed with them. The traitor was condemned to life in prison. Condemned to means sentenced to life in prison. यानी आजीवन कारावास, जो बोलते हैं ना, जेल की सजा सुनाई गई उसको. The patient was confined to. Confined to means bedridden. Not bedridden, but basically restricted. ठीक है. So confined to a wheelchair, confined to bed. Confined to bed, bedridden होता है, but confined to wheelchair means restricted, कि वो और चल नहीं पाया कभी जीवन में. Everyone congratulated him on his promotion. Please do not make use of for. For is incorrect over here. You never congratulate for. You always congratulate on any achievement of a person. Next one. Are you content? Content means are you satisfied? Content means are you satisfied with your current salary? Content with your current salary. Each member contributed $10 to the gift, to the fund, to the gift. उस context में use होता है. Please try to be more polite. Courteous is polite to the elderly, not with the elderly. That is wrong. ठीक है? Please be more courteous to the elderly, not with. You can always count. Count means rely. So count on your best friend. या अपॉन भी जाएगा, बोथ आर एक्सेप्टेबल. ठीक है, काउंट और काउंट अपॉन, बट मोस्टली काउंट ऑन ज्यादा जाता है. सो डोंट राइट अपॉन, राइट काउंट ऑन. दिस ट्रीटमेंट विल क्योर हिम. नाउ अक्सर बच्चे यहाँ फ्रॉम लिख के आते हैं, क्योर फ्रॉम, विच इज इनकरेक्ट. क्योर के साथ ऑफ यूज होता है. दिस ट्रीटमेंट विल क्योर हिम ऑफ द इन्फेक्शन. दिस शॉप डील्स डैश एंटीक फर्नीचर का मतलब हो गया ट्रेड, and we always trade in. So deals in antique furniture. A businessman must deal fairly with his clients. Deal with a person, like deal in a particular manner with a person, but then you trade in a particular commodity. Please remember that. And our success depends on, upon how hard we work. And the prisoners were deprived. Deprived ka matlab denied. Deprived means denied of sunlight. Deprived of sunlight. And with this, we complete our next 50 prepositions. I'll be seeing you in my next video, where another 50 prepositions and phrasal verbs, which are very common and probable in your board examination, will be taken up. I hope you're liking my content. If you are, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Have a great time preparing for your examination. Till then, keep studying, keep smiling. Take care. Bye-bye.